Hi guys, it's Talk Back Tuesday with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about pictures over a nightstand. So I want to know what you think about putting two pictures to kind of widen the nightstand and make it look very luxurious. I personally like it. I think it looks really great. Usually you see just like one picture or a long mirror, like RH does a lot of like long mirrors. But I personally like this trend. I think it's super cute with the two pictures. I think it makes it look very luxury and classy over the bed frame and the two nightstands. It also widens the nightstand, as you can see, because it comes outside of where the nightstand is. So cast your vote and let me know what you think. Do you like this two picture idea over a nightstand for a bedroom? And I hope everyone is living just fancier.